What's going on today, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm actually just doing random stuff around Tahlequah. Tahlequah is where my dad's from and where my grandma lives. So I'm in town visiting her, and it's also Memorial Day weekend, so I'm out fishing with my cousin right now. So he caught some catfish. I didn't catch anything, but anyway, so this next clip is I'm gonna explain it a little bit. So at Lake Tenkiller, where we like to go, there are cliffs, and there's a back road to get to it. And it's been a while since I've been down this road, and I wish I would have caught it on video, but it was very washed out and it was really rocky. It's almost like some of the ATV trails that we go to in Arkansas. So I was really surprised that my truck actually made it up it, and I probably shouldn't have taken it up, but I mean, it is what it is. Y'all, I am very impressed with this truck right now. I just took it up through this really hairy section of this trail right now, and I wish I caught it on video. I wish I would have thought about it before I got up it, but threw it in 4-low, and it got it up it really, really nice. And honestly, I was thinking about turning around. That's how rough that section was.
Yeah, big.
There goes my paint and everything. Oh gosh. So should I go right or left?
Send it through.
I'll send it. Pretty sure, yeah, it's all rock. Oh gosh. Make these trails wider. And I'm about to slide into that tree. That was a mud hole right there.
But that one to the right is going to be pretty bad in front of us.
Oh gosh. Gotta assess the damage a little bit. Oh gosh.
We gotta take the 4-wheeler next time.
Yeah. The thing is, the trail used to be not so rough, but ever since they changed it, changed the entrance. Gosh. That's neat. Kinda gave out right there. So long since I've been out here.
Yeah, me too.
The last time I drove through here was when we had the Razor out here. That was, probably 7 years ago.
Crazy.
I've been driving the jet ski over here.
Yeah, last time I went out, I only kayaked out. That looks like a mud hole right there.
Pretty sure all of them are rock bottom. That's pretty reassuring, though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to the right this way, since I can. Yeah. I wish we had the Jeep, but Tristan already has it back here. Holy crap! It'd be so much easier in the Jeep.
Razor was down this.
Yeah. Which one's the gas?
Definitely some bumpy video.
That's alright. I was not planning on making this video. You know?
Yeah.
At least I know the old trusty 6.0 can do it.
Gonna make a boat. See that giant piece of foam right there? Dock foam.
Dude, let's do it. Just throw that in the back of the truck on the way out. And there's the lake right there.
And there's lots of people.
Yeah. See, we just need to get a boat and not have to worry about going down this stupid trail.
Honestly.
This will be a tighter squeeze right here.
Oh, just narrowly.
No, I could probably pull a goose neck through there. I think I see Tristan. Me making video. I was gonna make a TikTok parked out by the lake. Oh, brother.
They actually look pretty normal. Cliff height, yeah. Where's Tristan parked at?
I don't know.
Maybe he didn't take the Jeep.
I don't know if he's still out here. I'm sure he is. Like I said, I'm over this paint.
Yeah, there goes paint.
Hey, what's red? Smells like blue paint. Should've just gone down. Dude, I just need to buy a side-by-side, a boat, or another truck.
I just need money.
Yeah, I should have gone closer to the lake.
I think it's a few point turn right here.
Gosh. Seriously wonder if Tristan did pull through here or not. I don't think I saw him.
I don't think the Jeep could have made it up that.
Oh, it could have.
It could have.
Yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little clip of the truck going through that trail. It was kind of a tight squeeze to, you know, fit the truck through there, but it was honestly worth it. Even though my paint is pretty scratched up. My paint's pretty bad right now. So I need to get that addressed pretty soon. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the damage. So right now we're below the Lake Tin Killer Dam, and there were cars here earlier. There was actually a wedding down there. It was pretty neat, but I had to park all the way down here. So let's assess the damage. So first off, it's a little muddy. But over here, it's really scratched up, and back here is where it gets really, yeah. So what to see about that? It's pretty bad. It's all right. It was worth it.